If you're trying to connect two Bose speakers together and nothing happens, no beep, no voice prompt, here's what to try. Welcome back to Quick Assist, and if this video helps, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. All right, it really helps the channel. All right, first we're gonna just go ahead and do the plain old simple turn off, turn off. All right, sometimes that does actually help. So we're gonna go turn it on.
Battery 20%. Rename me anything.
Okay, so one thing I noticed that sometimes the reason why it doesn't work and you can't connect, like say to party mode, you want to make sure that whatever device it's connected to, either like say your phone or a MacBook or a laptop, make sure that it's connected, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and try, go ahead press the Bluetooth and plus.
Press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously on a second Bose device.
Okay, so now it's working. Hold that down.
Party mode.
Okay, so now it's on party mode, so it did actually work. Okay, but then let's go ahead and keep going. If it didn't work, one thing you would want to try is also actually just resetting the whole Bluetooth. So we're just gonna go ahead and put...
Bose speakers unlinked.
And then that's how you unlink it.
Ready to connect another device.
Okay, so then we're trying, sometimes if you do that, then it will actually help connect the two speakers together. But you might want to actually clear all the devices. So if we want to clear devices, we're going to go ahead and push these two down.
Ready to connect another device.
But keep holding it down. Keep holding down till it erases all devices.
Bluetooth device list cleared.
Okay.
Ready to connect.
So if it's all clear, then usually it will not connect. So I'm holding this down. As you can see, that's one of the reasons why it is not going into party mode. It's not syncing, even though that we reset the whole Bluetooth. So as you can see on my phone, we want to go ahead and connect. So we're going to go ahead and connect. I'll connect both. Oops, what is that? There we go. Oh, the devices are not connected. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and connect them.
Connected to. Rename me anything.
That's the name of the phone.
Connected to. Rename me anything.
Okay, so you'll notice once it's connected to the device, then it should be working. Okay, so let's go ahead and push it down.
Press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously on a second Bose device.
And now it should go into party mode.
Party mode.
When you see the white lights flash, then it's going to be in party mode. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. I hope this solves your problem. If it doesn't, the one last thing you can try is to do the factory reset. And so that's pretty much just holding this down, the power button, and just keep holding it down.
Battery 100%.
Now, once it speaks and tells you the battery percentage, just keep holding it down.
Bose speaker.
Okay, so then now it's off. It should be factory resetted. And you'll know when you turn it back on, it's going to ask you about language.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
So then we're going to go ahead, hold that.
Ready to connect.
Okay, so let me turn this one back on too.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
So we're holding multifunction
Ready
button.
to connect.
So then they're not
Select
paired.
the Bose speaker from your mobile device's Bluetooth list.
So then that's why we're going to have to go back. And like I said, if you're using...
Select the Bose speaker from your mobile device's Bluetooth list.
If you're using like a MacBook or a laptop, you're going to want to connect again. So I kind of forgot the device. Now we're going to have to connect it again. Okay. So there we see it. We go ahead and see that. Go ahead and connect those. Once it's connected, this is when you should be able to pair again. All right, so this one is not connected yet. It's still connecting. So once we wait, if I hold the plus in Bluetooth,
press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously.
As long as one of them are connected, it should work. hold the minus and the Bluetooth down. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer than you think, but the light should turn white. Okay,
Party mode.
there we go. All right, guys, I hope I helped troubleshoot your problem. If it's not beeping, like I said, try these steps and then hopefully it works out for you. And yeah, these are the Bose SoundLink 2s. So yeah, if this video has helped, please consider liking, subscribing, and I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.